as you guys just witnessed, I terribly sanded the front of this Civic. I should have documented it, but I bought this Civic for $500, and I bought the part Civic that's out front and the donor for these parts for $300, with the hopes of making a winter beater slash good gas mileage car. And I know this is not proper, and this is pretty terrible, ghetto, whatever you want to call it, but I'm just trying to make the car one color. So I am roughly, very roughly, sanding this, and then the next step will be spray paint. So this is by no means the proper way to do any of this, but I am just going for a roughly color matched car here. If you were to do this proper, you would do none of these steps. But just clearing the air here. This is ghetto. This is trashy. Sometimes that's how you got to do your cars, especially when it's going to be a beater car. I bought this car. I was told it had 160,000 miles on it, and turned the key on after getting it home and paying for it, and given it was wrecked right here because the kid told me that he hit a deer. There was no hair, so I'm not sure how truthful he was with me, but told me he hit a deer, and then I don't know where I was going with it. Oh, turn the key on. Car has 271,000 miles. And then he tells me that, oh, the engine and tranny have 160. So at this point, I don't believe anything he says. Buy the car anyway. Get her home. Found a parts car. Bought the parts car. Put all the parts stuff onto this car. That's kind of where we're at. Now I'm just trying to make it look better, which is, I mean, not hard to do. It's pretty thrashed. So, if you're a perfectionist and enjoy seeing things done properly, I suggest you stop now. As for me, I'm doing this for fun. So if you can't take this lightheartedly, well, you might want to look somewhere else for videos. So the next step, I'm going to spray paint it. Well, I might try to mask things off a little bit, like headlights. But here goes nothing. think that'll about do it. It's kind of silver, a lot darker than OEM, but hey, I don't call them winter beaters for no reason.